Hey everyone! So a lot of you have been asking for a video tour of the bus, and we're sorry it's taken so long. We've just been really busy, but now we've got a little bit of time, so we're taking some time to give you a tour.
All right, so I'm gonna get behind the camera and Cora's gonna give you a tour of the outside of the bus, and then we're gonna take you inside and give you a full tour of the bus.
Okay, so we're gonna start this way. The first thing you're gonna see are bikes installed up on the front. This is really helpful because this means we can get around places a little easier than having to take the bus, which can be difficult to get into some tight places sometimes. And then on this side, you're actually going to see a side of the bus you guys haven't seen very much in the photos, and that's this side of the mural. It was designed by our dear friend Megan Price. We painted it all together, Megan, Jose, and I, and our other dear friends Jeremy Friedberg and Claudio Cappelletti. We did it together in Miami, Florida. It was a heck of a job, and it would not have been possible with that team, without that team coming together. And it looks beautiful. It's meant to be kind of an abstraction of the Americas. On that side you have a cityscape, some buildings. And over here you have the wave of our beautiful oceans across the Americas. Up top we have the deck. We like to lovingly call that the inspiration station because it is very inspiring as an artist going up there and watching the sunset. And back here we have the map. We're going to be tracing the route as we go, which will be really fun for people to see on the road. So this is our garage. We lovingly call it the garage. It's a tiny little space. But this is where we have the generator, tools, vacuum, amp, lots of cables, cords. And on this side, all of the electrical, the solar, and all the batteries. It is truly our garage. And you come around this side, you see the side of the bus that you're more familiar with in the photos. And this is meant to kind of symbolize the mountains and the beautiful landscapes that we have across the Americas. Very abstracted, of course, but beautiful. Toolbox, finally installed and in and holding lots of stuff. And now we are going to head on in.
All right, so this is the captain seat, and of course to drive this bus you need a captain hat. So I have this beautiful captain hat that was made by our friend Claudio Cappelletti. And Cora also drives the bus, so we also need a co-captain hat, which we have right here. So this is Cora's hat. Right here we have our control panel, and we have a backup camera that is really helpful to go into tight spaces and to parallel park the bus. And now I'm gonna take you back over there and show you the main space. Alright, so this space right here is my photo and video editing station that is also going to be available for any artist in residence to come and join us. The space is multifunctional, so this is not only a photo and video editing station, but it's also a dinette, good enough for 2 people. This table goes down and it turns into a single bed, and also it turns into a couch. So this is the main couch and can be also turned into a full-size bed. When we have him as a couch, this one and this one can seat 8 people in total, and we can have a table here in the middle to host parties for 8 people. Underneath the couches, there's 2 drawers on each of the couches. We have 2 drawers right here, plenty of storage space. And we have 2 little drawers under the dinette seat. Now I'm gonna show you my favorite spot in the bus, which is the kitchen. We have a full-size range with a small oven and plenty of drawer spaces for oral dishes and cooking utensils. We have our spices drawer. This drawer right here has our place heater. You know, We're not planning to go to cold places, but if we happen to be in a place that is very cold, we have this place heater that we can take it out and put it in different locations to heat the bus up. Right here we have our garbage can. Under there we have a water filter. Right here we have our filter water, our running water. And this is our water pump switch. We have outlets right here. We have outlets under the dinette. We have switches here for lights and LED lights. Or switches here for the bathroom, hallway. Right here under the sink, we have our water heater. We have a full-size fridge with a freezer and refrigerator down there. We have a microwave. We have plenty of space up here for pens and more storage here. More storage right here for different things. And now Cora is gonna give you a tour of the rest of the bus.
Okay, so here's the bathroom. The door slides open, so that saves for space. And the bathroom is teeny tiny, but it serves its purpose well. We have a composting toilet, which saves us from the black water tank logistics and all that goes around with that. And the shower is tiny. It's 24 inches by 24 inches. And it's just enough space to get clean, and that's what it's for. So there you go. Okay, so now we're gonna go back into my favorite room, the studio. So it's actually a very multifunctional space, but right now you can see we have it set up as the recording studio. It's almost fully soundproofed, so it works really well. Actually, you can fit a surprising amount of people in here. We had the Tanglewood chorus come in the other day, and we had about 16 students packed in here, and they sang Lean On Me. We all have pain, we all have sorrow. Sounds pretty good. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. I wish I could play you the whole thing, but we don't have time. So the cool thing about this space is that it's super convertible. So the piano can go in, the speakers go down, all the recording gear gets taken down and put away. Our instruments go in these closets here, where we also keep our clothes and personal items. Even the seat, which is actually a cajon, that can go down underneath. And then what you end up with is this beautiful, completely open room with a really long desk, and that can be used for painting or sewing or textile work or whatever kind of medium Jose and other visiting artists need to spread out and do their work. And then the third use is our bedroom. So this is the bed. These actually double as a great place to put coffee when you have people in here. And the bed folds down, comes down, and it's a full double bed where we sleep at night. So the final use of this space is a photography studio for the portraits. So we have a black backdrop that we can hang up, and Jose can do his portrait series. So that is the tour of the bus. You've already seen the garage area behind that door there, and stay tuned because we have a lot of footage and photographs and recordings that we are now working on the post-production for to get out to you guys. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll see some of you on the road.